Hello, I'm going to show you how to carry your baby facing the world in an Ergo Omni Dream. Okay, this is the Dream. The breeze is the same, but it is made with mesh, so a bit more breathable. The Omni 360 Cool Air mesh is very similar as well. It's got sliders, so this applies to that as well. So here I'm in the front carry. I've got cross straps because I like it, but you can have it straight strap. It does not matter at all. It's whatever you feel is more supportive. So few things to consider before you start facing out. First of all, from 5 months on, and I don't recommend you do it before because it involves your baby being able to hold their head for quite a long time. So 5 months is a good time to start. Also, developmentally, you don't want to overstimulate your baby. It's quite a lot for them to take in, so that age is quite good to get started with. We recommend 20-30 minutes at a time for lots of reasons. First of all, it doesn't promote healthy hip development in the same way that facing in, but it's okay to do. It's not damaging or anything. It's not amazing for the spine either, so just short amount of time, and to avoid overstimulation. For yourself as well, all the weight shift forward, so it's good to be able to do it for a short amount of time without you getting any pressure or pulling or anything. Don't let baby fall asleep that way, because chin and chest will touch and I can stop breathing. If your baby cries, turn them back facing you so they can see you and interact. Okay. One other thing is that babies can become very addicted to facing out, so just bear that in mind. Sometimes they don't want to be carried facing the parent. Usually by the time they're like 140 months, they're so heavy you can't do it anymore. So it's up to you, you're the parent, but these are the recommendations. If you're not fussed about facing out, you can do a hip carry with this carrier. See my other video, and I'll give them almost as much visibility, and there's no guidelines like with facing out. Okay, so here we go. Facing in, the sliders should be all the way up. What we're going to do for facing out is bringing them inwards, so we can narrow the seat but at an angle, so we don't spread the hips apart when the baby's sitting, and it's just a bit more comfy. So I'm just going to bring them in like that on each side. Sometimes it catches a little bit. There you go. Then I'm going to go to my clip and I'm going to loosen. You lift, put your finger under, you choose how you do it. Need to loosen a bit, make it a little bit loose, and then put your hands inside and lift baby over your shoulder. And then you turn your baby around. This bit never looks really glamorous. They might grab your hair at the same time. Sit your baby back down. Arms under the straps. You'll pull a lot more of the arms over the straps. And nice deep seat. So correct bum lower than the knees. If you find the panel is a little bit high, so this baby is a bit small, one way to do this is to go zip, pelvic tuck, bring the knees up, and bring your waist belt a little bit higher up. So what we're doing is kind of hammocking. So we're sitting baby over the waist belt, so that can help. See, now I can see my baby's airways. This, okay, and then I just retighten. Baby slap around. I'm good to go. So I want you to monitor baby the whole time. Use a mirror. Here's one I've made myself. It's quite cute. It's got a mirror in it and it's got a clip. These are called sling mirrors. Drop me a message if you fancy one. Clip it on your top. You can clip it on the carrier, just be careful it doesn't make a hole. And it's got this super handy retractable string. You can pull and then you can keep it on baby. Also handy when you back carry. If you want to do this, you can do it with a carrier from 6 months. Also to check your makeup, very important. There you go, facing out, 20 minutes, blah blah blah. Time to turn around, loosen, and we just reverse everything. Lift baby over. You can make it quite loose. If it's easier for you, you can take your arms out of your straps. Whatever works. Bring baby back on your shoulder, take your time, sit baby back down, make sure the legs are under, and I'm just going to put my arms back through the straps you tighten or you take your baby out at this point. And remember to bring this back up like this. That's it. You're good to go. Thank you for watching. Bye.